anyone you could be jailed for using contraception? Me neither.
A new ad from Attorney General Dana Nessel's re-election campaign taking aim at her Republican opponents and raising eyebrows.
If they win, you might have to cross state lines just to legally have safe sex. I'm Dana Nessel. As your Attorney General, I'll keep politicians out of your bedroom.
So what's she talking about?
We're talking about taking us back, half a century or more to a time where the government could control and dictate, when you have kids or whether or not you have kids, or if you have to have kids.
Nessel referencing a landmark right to privacy case the Supreme Court decided in 1965, overturning the state of Connecticut's ban on birth control. Griswold v. Connecticut established that states cannot ban contraception. Last month, Republican candidates for Attorney General Tom Leonard, Matthew DePerno, and State Representative Ryan Berman were asked about the case and said it infringed on states' rights to make their own laws.
To say, that a married couple, whether or not they can use birth control, should be the right of the state legislature to make that decision. It's a very, very scary statement to be made by people who are seeking a very, very influential office.
But while the thought of the state legislature banning contraception may seem far-fetched, banning abortion is a different story. If the Supreme Court rules to overturn Roe v. Wade, there's a Michigan law already on the books from 1931 that dodoes just that.
It makes abortion a 4-year felony in the state. So it means that if your doctor were to perform an abortion on you, that your doctor could go to jail or prison.
It's a law the governor has called on the Republican-controlled state legislature to overturn. That hasn't happened. Nessel says she won't enforce it, but what about her Republican opponents?
It's a very serious set of circumstances, and it will change everything about what we know to be reproductive rights that, people have enjoyed in this state and in this country for decades and decades.
Republican candidate and state representative Ryan Berman was the only one to respond to our request for comment, saying, quote, "I never said that the Griswold decision should be overturned. I'm also not opposed to contraception nor to individual privacy rights. Dana's misrepresentation here reeks of desperation," end quote. As for whether or not he would enforce Michigan's abortion law if elected Attorney General should Roe be overturned, he said, quote, "It would be irresponsible to commit to a position on enforcing the law before the interpretation is released," end quote. Republicans will nominate their candidate for Attorney General at their convention next month. In Southfield, Amy Lang, Fox 2 News.